This is our Jojoba Intense Moisture Balm, a luxurious multi-use balm for face and body to quench thirsty, dehydrated skin. Powered by our pure Wadi jojoba, clinically proven to restore, soothe and deeply hydrate. Our key ingredients are Gaialine, a ceramide boosting concentrate derived from linseed oil. It's an active ingredient obtained by molecular distillation, and it slows down aging and protects and strengthens our skin barrier. We also have Centella asiatica, which boosts collagen production and reduces the appearance of aging. It calms irritation in the skin and strengthens the skin barrier in retaining moisture. We also have a rich blend of shea, cocoa and mango butters, plus a vegan alternative to lanolin. This helps seal in moisture, leaving the skin really soft and supple and comforted. It creates a protective barrier over the skin to seal in moisture. We also have a plant-derived ceramide complex that supplies the skin with structural elements, supports recovery and maintenance of skin's healthy barrier function and water-holding capacity. Our clinical proven results are a 123% increase in skin ceramides in just 6 days. We also have a 115% improvement in skin smoothness in 28 days. And a 99.6% reduction in transepidermal water loss in 28 days. So locking in that moisture. How to use the Intense Moisture Balm. Apply evenly to the entire face, morning or night, or whenever skin just feels super dry. It's suitable for the face and body.